Hey guys, Louie here and welcome back to Acorn Hill. It's another Filipino Friday edition on Acorn Hill, and today I wanted to share with you, hope you learned something new, the easiest recipe that I know for another all-time Filipino favorite, peach mango pie. Peach mango pie first originated back in the 80s. This was a special treat, a hand pie that was made famous and popularized by our local national brand Jollibee, made of peaches and mangoes. The combination of the sweet, the tart, tangy flavor of the peach, it creates a blending of flavors that's been loved, that's been sought after, and that's been mass produced and copied. People are now going back to the original recipe and finding ways to make this at home. Unfortunately, the portions of the peach mango pie that you get from the store has really reduced in size. Maybe related to the rate of inflation and prices and whatnot. It's really easy to make, and there's two types of dough that one can use to make this an effective bake. Basic puff pastry. Traditionally, I think it is made by either a pâte sucrée or a pâte brisée, and those are fancy terms I know, and we'll go over them at the right time if there is a proper bake that I will use these ingredients for. But for today, what I did was just went to the grocery store and got me your store-bought puff pastry. I hope you like this new offering for Filipino Friday. It is peach mango pie. There's a lot more coming in terms of desserts, in terms of savory dishes and entrees, in terms of anything that revolves around the holidays, the Filipino celebration of Christmas and the holidays. But I'm really glad that you're here. I'm really glad that you're looking around in the channel. Feel free. You are our guest on the channel, and it's there for the taking. Learn something new. This is peach mango pie for today's Filipino Friday here on Acorn Hill.